Hey y'all, we're back with another voiceover, and today I'll be showing you guys a tape-in installation with a pop of color. Prior to installing the extensions, we actually prep your hair using a customized shampoo, conditioner, as well as treatment and pH sealer. You will also receive a complimentary deep tissue shiatsu massage on your back as well as your thighs, and then a deep tissue massage on both of your hands. I didn't record her actual blow drying process or flat iron process, but normally what I would do is I would blow dry the hair as well as flat iron and provide the hair with a trim prior to even installing the extensions. And then after that, I'll go ahead and map out exactly where the extensions are going to live within the client's head, and then I'll proceed to actually apply the extensions, as you can see in this clip. Finally, you guys are able to see that she's able to put her hair up into a ponytail as well as top bun. I'm quickly showing you these two before the actual finish touch, which is a side part with curls. I had her do a complete 360 so you guys are able to see her entire head and also see where I allow the colored extensions to live. She does not have any of her natural hair color. These are only extensions that are colored. So we gave off the illusion that she does have highlights when in actuality she really doesn't. With proper placement, this is possible. Also, you're able to see the videos that she has taken herself, therefore resulting in a satisfied client.